In the previous 8 videos about roles, we have created and assigned them to stages, given them escalations, created exception flow escalation, modified their override values, and changed their access levels. All of these changes will be apparent in the documentation outputs produced through your XSOL InOrder. To deploy output, move to the File menu and select Deploy. There are 5 outputs producing the complete process model. We will investigate the HTML multi-page, that all 5 show the same information displayed differently. To generate the output, we will select the default layout, the default filter, and the default override. Pressing the Generate button, the product will ask us to name our document. Pressing Save will generate the output. When it is completely generated, press Open to open the output in your default browser. In the left-hand menu, we can see the process groups. If we select our leave request, we can see the process flow. For each of the stages, the roles are assigned. Selecting a role within a stage will take you to the roles section for that stage, also visible in the left-hand table of contents. From here, you can see all of the activities that role can undertake. For example, the HR manager can begin the Add Vacancy process. It also undertakes a series of stages within Add Vacancy, New Employee, Recruitment, and Leave Request. Returning to our leave request, if we select the Resourcing Approval stage, we can see that any override information is displayed in the Initial Assignments area. Additionally, if escalations are present, they are also shown. After 4 days, it will escalate to the HR manager and team leader, and after a further 3 days, for a combined 7 days, if no action is undertaken, the stage is descheduled and the flow continues as shown in the diagram. Additionally, if access levels have been modified, then they will also be shown in the Initial Assignments area. In this way, all role information that is defined within the process model is shown within the outputs. This gives you a clear view of all the work that can be undertaken by individual roles within your process model. If we generate the roles matrix report, this provides an even clearer view of information relating to roles in your process model. I will save changes and continue with the deployment. Again, pressing Open will open the default browser with the output shown. Across the top, all of the role groups are visible. Expanding these role groups shows the roles. Down the left hand side we can see the separate process groups, and within those the processes. As well as standard role assignments where the user executes the stage, changes in access level are also visible, as here, where it can execute or reassign. Any override information is also visible, and escalations are also shown in the escalation level column. This way it is quick and easy to see which roles undertake which stages within your process.